How to add your Snapchat filters to an existing photo on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and add some Snapchat filters to an existing photo. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, now I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can basically see this is how it is actually going to look like. Now, if you want to add an existing photo, first I would just need to tap on the photo icon from the bottom left, and I'll just go ahead and select one of the random photos from my list. And let's say this is one of the existing photos on which I want to add the Snapchat filters to. It's very simple. Now what I'll do is just tap on this arrow icon over here. Once I tap on the arrow icon, you can see this lens icon, which is basically the filters and effects icon. So in order to use filters for this existing photo, I'll just tap on it and select it. Now you can see multiple ones. Just go ahead and add the ones which you think is reliable for you. And now you can see a list of other options at the bottom. You can just go ahead and then choose between them. After you're satisfied with the filter that you want to use, you can go ahead and send this as a chat or a snap. But if you want to save it, then you could also tap on the export button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And this is simply how you can go ahead and add some filters to an existing photo on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.